Hola amigos y bienvenidos al canal. Me llamo Nuria y soy tu profesora de español. Hello my friends and welcome to the channel. My name is Nuria and I am your Spanish teacher. Do you ever get confused with bien and bueno and when to use one and when to use the other one and say things like mucho bueno instead of muy bueno? This video is for you. We are going to see the key differences between bien and bueno, when to use one, when to use the other. Then we'll have a small quiz to practice. And let's go. So let's start with bien. Bien translates into English as well. Things that we need to know, that are grammar base about bien. It's an adverb. It's going to modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. And it does not change its form. It doesn't matter if it's a feminine, masculine, singular, or plural word. Bien is going to stay like bien. When to use bien? Bien. When we are talking about how something is done, i.e. condition / performance. So something is well done, es está bien hecho. And we are also going to use bien with the following verbs. Estar, hacer, salir, correr. For example, a sentence that you are going to hear in Spain. It's a restaurant and you eat very well in this restaurant. We would say se come bien. Let's see what this means in real life. For example, she sings well. Ella canta bien. Everything is okay or everything is fine. We are going to use bien. Todo está bien. Or I feel well. Estoy bien. Do not confuse this with estoy bueno or estoy buena if you're a girl. If you say estoy bueno or estoy buena means you're hot. Not that you're feeling well, so this is one of the mistakes that people make when confusing bien and bueno. And these ties in perfectly to see what's going on with bueno. So bueno translates as good. So first bien, which is well, and bueno, which is good. Now, bueno, it's going to change depending on the form and number. So can be bueno, buena, buenos, and buenas. This tells us that is an adjective, that it will modify nouns and it will change according to what that noun is, depending on the form or number. And we also have a shorter form, which is buen, and it's used with singular masculine nouns. For example, he's a good man. Es un buen hombre. They are good men. Son buenos hombres. So, recap. We're going to use bueno, buena, buenos, buenas for descriptions to describe people, objects, you name it. And we are also going to remember that it needs to agree with whatever we're explaining. If it's a plural form, it needs to be in plural form. If it's masculine, it needs to be masculine. If it's feminine, it needs to be feminine. Now, let's have a look at a few common sentences. So, he's a good friend. Él es un buen amigo. That's a good idea. Es una buena idea. We've learned bien is well, bueno is good. So let's practice this. I'm going to say a few sentences and you at home or whatever you are, need to tell me if it's true or it's false, i.e. if it's a correct or incorrect sentence, and then we'll see why. So, el libro es muy bien. Is this a correct sentence or is it incorrect? Now think. We are describing a book, so it's incorrect. El libro es muy bueno. Now, If you want to learn the differences between muy and mucho, I have another video on the channel that I will link over here somewhere or in the description box down below. You can go and check that one out. Let's go on to the next sentence. The soup tastes good. I would use buena. La sopa está buena. Okay, so what about? Es un bien restaurante. So it's a good restaurant. Is that correct or incorrect? It's incorrect. Es un buen restaurante and not es un bien restaurante. Okay, what about this one? Ella cocina muy bien. That's correct. She cooks very well. Y la última, and the last one. Mis amigos son buenos. That's correct. My friends are good. Now it's your turn to tell me, is it going to be bien or is it going to be bueno, buena, buenos, and buenas for the next 5 sentences that I've got for you? Es un bien profesor or es un buen profesor? Es un buen profesor. Mi hermana canta muy bien o mi hermana canta muy buena. Mi hermana canta muy bien. What about this one? La película fue muy bien or la película fue muy buena. La película fue muy buena. The movie was very good. ¿Te sientes bien hoy? Or ¿te sientes bueno hoy? ¿Te sientes bien hoy? Do you feel well today? Y la última, ¿bailan muy bien? Or ¿bailan muy bueno? Bailan muy bien. They dance very well. If you stick to the video this far and you want to keep practicing or you want to download all the pointers from today's class with more examples, real life situations, and exercises with answers for you to practice completely for free, I have a link for you down below on the Buy Me a Coffee. You can always leave me a token or buy me a coffee in the page. But today, all the resources are for free. So head over there, download them and practice. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comments if you want me to cover any other topics. And I will see you on the next one. Hasta pronto!